Hi everyone. Today I will share with you how to change Windows mouse pointer in style, color, and size. I'm going to break it down into 3 parts shown on the screen. Let's start with the first one, change the mouse pointer style in mouse properties. Firstly, open the Windows settings. Click Devices option. Select Mouse and Touchpad option. Select the additional mouse options. Select Pointers tab. Then, select a scheme that you desired from the drop-down below it. Next click Apply and OK. Navigate to the second one, change the size and color of the mouse pointer in Settings. Open Settings. Select Ease of Access. Click Mouse. You can modify its style and size here. Finally, start with the third one, change the size and color of the mouse pointer in Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Ease of Access. Choose Change how your mouse works. Choose a new mouse pointer in the options provided. Then click Apply and OK. That's all, thanks for watching.